Welcome to Ebas Gallery. 1 year after the world premiere of SEDRIC at the 2017 Geneva Motor Show, the Volkswagen Group presents the latest version of its mobility concept for fully autonomous driving. The SEDRIC School Bus at the Volkswagen Group Night Geneva, shaping the future. Urban mobility. The company underscores the importance of SEDRIC, self-driving car, as the cross-brand ideas platform for sustainable, safe, convenient mobility at the touch of a button. Foreveryone, with the exterior and interior styling in the school bus design. The Volkswagen Group underpins its objective of playing a leading global role in the area of autonomous driving as defined in the Future Program Together Strategy 2025, with the presentation of the latest version of the SEDRIC mobility concept. The development of a self-driving system, SDS, gives concrete form to the vision of mobility available anywhere, anytime, and for everyone at the touch of a button. The SDS forms the technological basis for individual mobility of the future. SEDRIC was presented at the Geneva Motor Show for the first time in 2017. Since then, the first concept car of the Volkswagen Group has served as a cross-brand ideas platform for fully automated driving. Within the space of just 1 year, big strides have been made in the development of the self-driving system and systems for recognizing the surrounding environment and traffic data analysis. SEDRIC is therefore becoming the symbol for smart mobility solutions. The Volkswagen Group intends to use them to contribute to overcoming the challenges in cities relating to congestion, air quality, and traffic safety. In parallel with the technological progress of the self-driving system, the development of solutions in the areas of design, user experience, and comfort continue to progress. The advanced development of SEDRIC shown at the Volkswagen Group Night Geneva highlights the aspiration of achieving a form of individual mobility that can be applied anywhere and is available to anyone. The latest family member in the form of the SEDRIC School Bus follows on from the original SEDRIC, SEDRIC 42 and SEDRIC Nightlife. The exterior and interior styled in the school bus design presents the self-driving car as an ideal means of transport for the youngest generation. The SEDRIC mobility concept has the option of using the one-button control element to call up a self-driving electric vehicle at the touch of a button, and conveniently traveling from door to door. This allows the school run to be carried out in a simple, safe, and fun journey. The monolithic proportions, robust body pillars and generously proportioned spaces emphasize the inviting character of the vehicle. This driving experience can also be enjoyed without a driving license, and the striking paintwork finished in yellow and black with stylized graffiti provides a clear indication that SEDRIC presents a pioneering alternative to the conventional school bus. The youthful look of the vehicle continues in the interior. Aluminium boxes decorated with stickers form the basis for 2 of the 4 seats. The front windscreen, designed as a large format OLED screen, provides onboard entertainment tailored to specific target groups. This will make the journey time to and from school seem shorter for the younger generation.